Right guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how I found this very cool personalized jewelry / accessory store on Etsy, and how you can set up your own store exactly like this, following their framework but doing things a lot better than they are. So let me show you how I found it, and then let's get on to the good stuff. So like normal, I used Allura to do this, right? The link is in the description to get on Allura yourself. It is a fantastic tool. So I just went on resources, best-selling shops, and then I just went down to jewelry. And look, in here you can break it down between trending stores, break down the category, and then if you scroll down, you can break it down a little bit more, right? You know, so this really helps you get into a more of a sub niche, micro niche type deal, right? So here we are wanting to get into weddings, right? Annoyingly, here it is. So the store that I found was this one, was Prince Charming UK. So as we can see, it's on 51,000 sales. It hasn't updated, but they're doing about 1,000 sales a month. It's probably about 1.2, 1.3 thousand sales, and they've probably done closer to 800,000 in rev. So yeah, as you can see, it's a really great niche to be in, and they've only been on the platform for 4 years. So they are really standing out due to the nature of what they sell and the personalized touch, right? So look, you know, this walk with me dad, memorable memory, remembrance, personalized products, right? So if we look here, iron on tie photo, you know, wedding bouquet with a nice message in, remembrance bouquet charm to go on flowers, and you know, it's personalized touches for remembering past ones and for special occasions, right? So how many of the stores, or how many of you have even thought of doing something like that, right? It wouldn't have been something that crossed my mind unless I used this tool to find the store. And look, so they've done 51,000 sales. There's no sale on any of the products, right? You know, very popular product, nearly 1,000 favorites on this one, you know. And let's take a look. You know, a very messy title, a very messy description. The only good thing they have is their photos, okay, but that's no problem, right? That is no problem at all. So what I've done is I was looking for this product here. So you see it's like daisies on the outside of this cover. So as you can see, here they are, right? Here's the product, and what you do is, because we're doing a personalized store, you then find out the size of the inside, you work with the supplier to then send it to the customer pre-made, right? So depending on what you want to be written, right? And you can do a character limit here. So that's what they can include, and then your supplier knows, okay, that goes on the bit of paper, then it gets covered in with the glass cover, right? This little thing goes over the top. So now you have this really great personalized wedding bouquet charm brooch, right? But this charm brooch goes on lots of things. So this one product now turns into, you know, 5, 6 listings. Look, there's the same product, same product, same product, same product. Right, same product, same product, same product. You know, so they're listing that one item a lot of times, and that is a strategy we do talk about a lot, especially in our Discord. You know, it's discord.gg/Etsy. So be sure to join. We're one of the largest Etsy communities out there. Very proud of that. Right, so now you've reverse engineered this one product. You've now found a supplier that can do it for you. But why stop there? Right, you now have all these other designs, okay? And now what you can do is, say you want to work with this one supplier, you then break down their store, right? Okay, they do different stuff like this. They do all these poppy ones, right? They do all these different personalized products. Oh, these are really nice flowers and stuff. So you can kind of go onto your one supplier's store and then have them source all of your products, right? And if they can't, just send them photos and go, hey, any chance you can do this? And there's a good chance they can, or they have the connections to do so. So your one supplier that we found here can now do all these other designs, right? You know, it is a really fantastic way to do it. And now look here, they have this listing, which is a pretty good strategy, right? So you are able to upsell express shipping as in the terms in an actual listing itself. However, what I would recommend is just do a delivery upgrade. Okay, there's no need to do this hassle. Just do a delivery upgrade in your delivery profile and allow them to select it. That way you're going to get far more conversions, right? So now that we're going through, you're going to see that 99% of their products are just the same thing, okay? They are just these memorable, memorial, memory charms that look really great, that people absolutely love. It really means a lot to people. It has this emotional connection. Okay, so people pay a good price for these products, right? So then if we go back onto this listing, you'll see, okay, they have a delivery price. You could now come into the market, do free shipping, right? You can now provide a discount. You can now come in and provide a whole different spin type of products, new designs, market it in a new way. You can even come in and market it to just specific countries, right? So it's just a really fantastic way to get in. You know, the benefits of doing this personalized style and this personalized route is people are more willing to wait for delivery times, okay? So here they have a pretty quick turnaround purely because of the scale they work at, right? But when you're getting a personalized product, most people accept that they're going to be waiting a little bit longer than normal for this product because it has to be, you know, truly handmade and put together, right? There is prep time. Yeah, and people will wait for quality, right? So this is a fantastic niche to get into. You know, if I was launching a new store anytime soon, I have to admit I would be thinking of this personalized memorial stuff, right? And then branching off from there. You know, what else can you think of? Okay, it's for funerals, it's for weddings, it's for birthdays, you know, it's for you know, like I forget the name, but it's for a whole range of things, okay? You know, and then you can even do them as gifts for your girlfriend, gifts for there, but that is quite saturated, and that's why this memorial stuff really does stand out. Because yes, the wedding and the birthday gifts, not the gifts for the girlfriend, the gifts for the boyfriend is very saturated now, but this type of stuff is not. So you could really come in, swoop over this seller with better optimization, right? With a better incentives, and really start to take some of their sales away from them. So, you know, this is a fantastic way to do it. And again, I just use AliSeeks. Just type in this if you want this plugin, search goods on AliExpress by this image, and it will come up. It just uses AliSeeks, right? So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope this helped, and I hope you're able to find your own niches or give this one a go, right? Because this is a great strategy and a great way to scale up a store that you can do fairly simply, right? So have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.